Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to make Google form for surveys. First, you have to open the browser and on the right side, you will see these options. You have to click onto it, scroll down, and then you will see this option for forms. Simply click onto it. And after that, the Google Forms will open. So here we have a lot of different templates. You can explore them. If you like the format of any one of these, you can use them, or you can also create a survey from scratch. So for that you have to go app and click onto this option blank, and then you can start creating from scratch. Otherwise it's up to you, you can also go with the templates. This time I'm going with the blank form to show you how it works. First you have to give it a title. It could be anything. You can write it survey or whatever name you want to give this form, you can just simply do it. After that you can give it a description. In the description you can explain what this is for, or you can also write the rules and regulation or anything else you would like to add. And you can also customize it, like you can make it bold, italic, underline and other stuff. Then the time comes to add your survey questions. So first you have to write the question. It could be anything like what is your name, your gender, or you can just simply start asking the survey question. Then here comes the part, like what kind of answers you want. You want the open-ended, you want the options, or what. So you can choose as per your preferences. Once you have added the question, then you can go to the next question. Just simply write your question, and once you are there for the answers, you can choose either you want multiple choice, drop down, whatever you like, you can choose as per your choice. As I have this question, your age, so for that I am going with the option for that drop down or the checkbox option, so that people can select any option from there. I don't want any specific answer. I will give the answer, the other person will select from there. So I have got this answer. If you want to add the question, click onto this plus icon. A new question will be created, then simply write the question, and then you have to create the answer. So in the answer we have different categories. You can go for paragraph, short answer, multiple choice questions, drop down menu, check boxes, or maybe you can go for other options as well. Once you're done, then there are a few other options, like you can customize it, you can add photo, video and sections within it. And once you're done, you have to click on publish. Then you can manage, you want it to be public or private. And after that your form will be created. If you want to share it to any other person, you can do it, and once they fill out their answers, you will get it into the responses. So that's how you can use Google Form for surveys. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.